And first, when we try to connect, the system will tell us how we can connect to the machine. We can use Bluetooth, we can use USB, and this pin is already included in the kit, the Deutz 9-pin green cable. This is what it looks like. This is what's used to connect. And for any reason, if your mechanic forgot to bring the cable, there's always a multi-pin connector. It's always in the kit, so you can also use that as well. Let's have a look at the fault code and what kind of options it has available. So it would easily indicate, for example, we have about some fault code stored in the memory right now. And when you click on this, it will show you the last occurrence, the last hour when the issue happened, if the warning lamp is on or off, what's the system state, if it's active or non-active, and for fault code troubleshooting, it'll tell you exactly how you could eliminate that as well. Let's have a look at the monitoring section. So in terms of monitoring section, you have some live data points. Let's see, I believe you have around 400 plus live data points that you can monitor in real time. There you go, 455, all the way from pressure, temperature, to voltage, mass. And if you can select all the ones that your mechanic needs, if you need them all, for example, and then you can monitor them in real time. If a pressure is too high, if a pressure is too low, depending on what kind of activity that your mechanic is carrying out, they can go ahead and monitor all this in real time, giving them data to make decisions. On the left side, you can see troubleshooting by symptoms. For example, if your mechanic is new or you yourself are trying to figure out what could be wrong with the system, you can do troubleshooting by symptoms. For example, if the engine is knocking, engine valve is worn, there's excessive noise, gear train noise, mass flow, anything that you think could be an issue, you can just go ahead and the system will tell you step by step. Let me give you an example. If the engine is knocking, you would click on that and it will tell you step by step how you can fix the issue as well. And that will basically solve the problem. There you go, we're going to select that. There we go. There you go. So it shows you step by step. Check the fault code, check the performance of the starter monitor, the motor, check glow plugs, check the fuel quality. You would go step by step, and this would easily eliminate the problem.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.